Every angler knows that feeling you've hooked the fish of a lifetime, your heart is pounding, your line is screaming, and then your reel fails, gone, that trophy fish lost forever, all because of one wrong choice. But what if I told you for less than the price of a dinner out you could own a reel that fights like a beast? Or maybe you're ready to invest in the kind of precision engineering that pros trust their careers on. Today I've tested over of the newest models. I've put them through mud, saltwater, and against the hardest fighting fish I could find, and I've narrowed it down to just 5 that absolutely dominate the competition. From a shockingly good budget steal to a high-end monster that will make your buddies jealous. Starting at number 1. Abu Garcia Zenon MGX Spinning Reel. The Abu Garcia Zenon MGX is a work of art. When I pulled it out of the box, I was shocked by how light it was. At 5.5 ounces, this reel is approximately 30% lighter on average than the other reels I tested. And although it's lightweight, it remains extremely rigid and durable. Abu's airfin spool and one-piece X-Mag, magnesium alloy, frame combine to create this lightweight yet strong design. My favorite feature is the drop shot weight holder on the spool tension knob of this reel. It's genius. Dangling and swinging drop shot weights are a menace when it comes to spinning reels. Having a way to quickly and securely stow your weight is fantastic. The only downside to this reel is the price. At $470, this was the most expensive reel in the test. But if you're a serious angler who relies on spin gear and uses finesse techniques often, this reel is the best you can buy. Great Lakes smallmouth anglers will appreciate the Zenon MGX when fishing drop shots, Ned rigs, wacky rigs, and other finesse baits. Number 2. Daiwa Tatula MQ LT. The Daiwa Tatula MQ LT is a fantastic reel for the money. At $200, this reel is less than half the price of the Zenon MGX, yet still offers great performance. It was the crispness of this reel that won me over. From the one-piece body to the machined aluminum handle to the air drive rotor and bail, everything about this reel is light, strong, and precision-tuned. Available in 5 sizes ranging from 1,000 to 4,000, you won't find any situation in bass fishing that the Tatula MQ LT can't handle. One of my favorite features was how smoothly and easily the bail opens and closes. You barely have to turn the handle before the bail flips down. No other reel in the test was able to do this. It is slightly heavier than the best overall winner, but it comes in more sizes and has a smooth and strong drag. Number 3. Shimano Nasci FC. I've had this reel for several months now, and in that time, it has separated itself from the others that are priced right at $100. It's strong, fairly light, and very capable. The drag is sensitive and easy to adjust on the fly. All of the mechanics of the reel are crisp with no wiggle or play. It almost has all the bells and whistles of a high-end reel for only $100. All that being said, if you're a northern smallmouth guy fishing tournaments and relying on spinning reels for a living, you're probably going to want to work your way up the price chart a little. The weight is noticeably heavier than the premium models. But for the guy throwing the occasional Ned rig, wacky rig, or jig head swim bait, this is a great reel for the price. One I would be more than comfortable fishing tournaments with myself. Number 4. Okuma Avenger Spinning Reel. The Okuma Avenger is a dang good spinning reel for the money. At only $47.50, you can get 10 of these for the price of one Abu Garcia MGX. It costs only 10% of the most expensive reel in this test, but you get much more than 10% in performance. Besides longevity, I haven't fished with this reel for more than a few months. The Avenger is almost as capable as any other spinning reel I've ever thrown. Even if you only get a couple of seasons out of this reel and it breaks, you can buy another and still spend less than $100 in total. For those who don't do much finesse fishing, this is a great choice to save money, but still get the job done when you want to throw softer presentations. Number 5. Shimano Vanford A. The Vanford A is a proven workhorse. With many similarities to the beloved but discontinued Shimano Stratic, the Vanford A has quickly garnered a loyal following. After 6 months of fishing with the Vanford, I've caught some great fish and have really come to appreciate the strength, durability, and smoothness of this reel. At $250, it's not inexpensive, but it's still half the price of the Abu Garcia MGX. And the difference in these two reels, performance-wise, is very small. The Vanford was a close runner-up for best overall and an excellent choice for any spin angler. So there you have it. The 5 reels that earned their spot on my lineup this year. Whether you're chasing bass in a quiet lake or battling saltwater bruisers, one of these reels will give you the confidence to cast further and fight harder. Remember, your gear is the only thing between you and that dream catch. Don't let a weak link cost you. All the links to these reels, including the best current prices and where to buy, are waiting for you in the video description below. I've checked them myself to make sure you're getting the real deal. If this video helped you avoid a fishing disaster or find your next favorite reel, do me a huge favor, smash that like button. It really helps the channel. And subscribe if you haven't already. We've got more gear showdowns and fishing adventures coming every week. Tight lines, stay safe out there, and I'll see you on the next one.